Hello, lovely fourth graders. Today we are going to continue our practice of long division using our standard algorithm. So if you are at home and watching the video, make sure you have a dry erase board and marker or a journal with paper, scratch paper to practice these that we are about to do in front of you. Make sure that you are taking the time to practice. And here we go. Remember, our objective, students will practice a basic algorithm for long division. Vocabulary review. Now remember, the number inside the house is the main number. It's your total. It is called the dividend. The number on the outside that is dividing the dividend is called the divisor. The number that is your answer after you've taken the dividend by the divisor, you get a quotient. Those are key words, vocabulary. Remember those vocabulary words. Now, remember your Does McDonald's Sell Cheeseburgers, your acronym, and we're going to go through a couple of these. Make sure you pause the video as we go, and make sure that you are writing down, solving your work. As we work through, remember to put out your multiples to the side. Remember, this first one reads 938 divided by 6. So I'm going to work with you on this one as an example. You can follow along as we go to make sure you know the steps. Your multiples of 6, you have 6, you have 12, you have 18, you have 24, you have 30, you have 36, you have 42, 48, and I'm going to stop there. Now, make sure that you are writing down your work, solving the problems. I'm going to put my X on the outside here, and we're going to start here. How many times can 6 divide into 9? One time. 1 times 6 is 6. I subtract. 9 times 6 is 9 minus 6 is 3. I bring down. We start over. Divide. 6 divides into 33 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. 5 goes on the top. 5 times 6 is 30. I subtract. I bring it down. Carry on down. Again, repeat. 6 divides into 38 right here. I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract 2. I have nothing left to bring down, so I'm going to bring it back up for a remainder of 2. Let's try another one. Next one, I have 7 on the outside, so it reads 3,569 divided by 7. So to the outside, put your multiples of 7. The more you write them down, the more it becomes easier to memorize. I'll help you with this one. So we have 7, 14, 21, 4 is 28, 5 is 35, 6 is 42, 7 is 49, 8 is 56, and 9 is 63. Put this on the outside. We're going to start with the first one. Does McDonald's sell cheeseburgers? Go through your steps. 7 can't divide into 3. 0. 7 times 0, 0. Subtract. 3, bring it on down. 35. Oh, 7 divides into 35, even. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have our 5 up top. 7 times 5, 35. Then I'm going to subtract. I have a 0. I bring down my 6. 7 can't divide into 6, so we have a 0 on the inside. 0 times 7, 0. Subtract. You have a 6. Bring down your 9. Now, 7 divides into 69 9 times. 9 times 7 is 63. When you subtract, you end up with 6 remaining. That remainder comes back up for a remainder of 6. Okay, we're going to give you a few to practice on your own. Write your multiples of 9 down. I'm going to pause the video here, write my multiples down. I'm going to go through the steps. I want you to come back once you've completed it and check to make sure you did it correctly. Okay, so your multiples should be there. We're going to walk through these, check your work, and make sure you did it correctly. 9 divides into 9 1 times. 1 times 9, 9. Subtract, bring down. 9 cannot divide into 5. If you say no, you put a 0. 9, remember we go back in reverse. 9 times 0, 0. Subtract, bring down. 9 divides into 58 right here. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 6 times 9, 54. Subtract. You bring this. 45. I have it right here. 9 divides into 45 5 times. So your 5 goes right here on the top. 45. You are left with a remainder of 0, and you're done. 9,585 divided by 9 is 1,065. Let's practice another. Here we have 4,568 divided by 2. Your multiples of 2 are pretty easy. I'm not going to take time to write those down, but pause the video here, try to solve. If you can, you should already know your multiples of 2. So here we go. I'm going to go ahead and put my multiplication and check your work. You should have paused the video and done this, and now you're solving on your own. 2 divides into 4 2 times. 2 times 2 is 4. You subtract. You have a 0. Bring down 5. 2 divides into 5. Again, that is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. You subtract. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 16. 2 divides into 16 8 times. 8 times 2 is 16. I subtract. Bring down my 8. 2 divides into 8 4 times. 8 minus 8 is 0. There is no remainder. Remainder of 0, you do not have to put that, but that is your answer. You should have gotten 4,568 divided by 2 is 2,284. Again, if you want to flip it in reverse, multiply 2,284 by 2 to see if your answer is correct. Here we have 4,591 divided by 5. Check and make sure that you put your multiples of 5. Those are easy. I'm not going to take time to write them down. You should already have them memorized. But if you need to, remember they're 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. Okay, 5 can't divide into 4. So make sure you don't skip that step. You subtract. This is a 4. This is a 5. 5 divides into 45 9 times. 9 times 5, 45. You subtract. Bring that, bring it down. 5 divides into 9 1 time. 5 times 1 is 5. You subtract. You end up with a 4. You bring down this 1. You have 41. 5 divides into 41 8 times. 8 times 5 is 40. You subtract, and you are left with a remainder of 1. Okay, check your work here. Check and make sure that you've done these correctly. Okay, so this next slide is just a little fun thing. I am going to do an example for you guys there at home, but we'll do a couple of these in the classroom. So if we're going to create a little equation here. Well, it's not going to play, is it? For some reason, it's not working. Come on, there it goes. And here's the last one that we're going to do all together. You have 177 divided by 3. So take a moment here and see if you can work out this problem. Remember to write out your multiples of 3 to the side. And let's go through it. So 3 divides into 1 0 times. 0 times 3 is 0. You subtract, bring down your 1 and your 7. 3 divides into 7 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15. Subtract, bring down, 7. 3 divides into 7 9 times. 9 times 3 is 27. You have a 0, a remainder, 0. Not all of yours will start with a 0. Not all of yours will end with a remainder. So make sure that you are going through every process step on your division. Take your time. These are difficult. They're not easy. So make sure you're doing everything that you can. Okay, we're going to move on forward. Here's a little quiz. Remember, this word on the outside, is it quotient, dividend, or divisor? Is it quotient, dividend, or divisor? If you guessed C, it is divisor. It is your divisor. Yes. Next one. This answer that is in your house, the number that is being divided, is it dividend, divisor, or quotient? If you guessed dividend A, you are correct. And the answer to a division equation, what is it called? If you guessed A, quotient, you are correct. And here we go. Independent practice today. You have 9 equations. And it might look really difficult. It might be really challenging for you. What I want you to do is do the first 6. If you are at home and you have access to a printer, print it out, take a picture, send it to me. If you can type in the text on the Google Docs, do it that way. But the main practice is your long division. If you do not get to these last 6, you don't have to, or the last 3. If you get finished with these first 6 and you need extra practice, do the last 3. But that is it for today. The main part is to practice these long divisions. If you're at home, you have to do it anyway. Don't just shortchange yourself and say, I don't want to do it. I'm not going to do it. Do these. You have to know how to divide. Make sure you're taking your time and doing them. And I'll see you on the independent practice.